when you walk and you hear it?
Baddest in the game. Like, I feel like baddest in the game is like.
I think it's timing with that.
No, it's still going. Like it
mean.
hasn't stopped.
It's timeless. Like, when I say timeless,
yeah, like it's
timeless.
It's like that 50 Cent, that Mickey Mill record that every time it plays in a club, it's like the first time you heard it.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah,
I don't know what I did on that record, but it's definitely one of my hottest records, one of my most energetic records, like authentic, just like everything.
Sorry, who made the beat?
Okay, Peter.
Shout out to you, man. Okay.
Baddest in the game, never fuck with lames. All these niggas too soft. Baddest in the game, never fuck with lames. Face card, got the sauce.
I feel like that track is on one, like that one there, because it feels like you could pull out at any time.
Anytime. Every time my friends hear that song, they're like, it never gets old. It never gets old. Oh my God. I feel like it's the first time I heard it. Oh my goodness. Like, every time, like even when I hear it, I'm not tired of it. I'm like, that song has so much energy in it, and I was going through something so real at that time that made me produce a song like that. But you know,
art imitating life imitating art. Beautiful.
Yeah,
beautiful. But
I make my best music when I'm like going through something like. That pisses me off. Like, not even something that makes me sad, something that pisses me off. Like, something that make me want to punch the wall. I'm going to go record a crazy record, period.
I heard that. But I want more positivity from you. You know what I mean? I want more positivity for you. And I want a lot more abundance of good energy.
Yeah, that's what I create. You know through something negative in my life, I create greatness. And I think that's powerful.
I don't want to have the negative come in. Let's hope you next negativity after that, you make that greatness. You just don't have to work nowhere. You just get the vibe and chill. And
it comes with life, and it comes with being a boss, and it comes with being a pioneer. Like, this is things that you have to go through.
I have another question for you. Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have 3 brothers.
Are you an older sister?
No, I'm the youngest one. Why is he laughing, you guys?
I come from a big family. I thought you were like the third or the second last.
He thought I was the third or second last child of the family. What does that mean?
That's what I thought. I'm old. It doesn't mean
why? Because I'm too wise? Why?
You've seen